Hello. Now I try to describe how you able to manage vendor on your store. It's from try to let from font to desktop everything. So let's start. You can see in this section seller guides. Here you can add CMS seller, how can seller add products and seller information you can set. Also in this section you can sell with us. In this section you can see some options for seller registration. If you select free, just I have select free, or you can also update what is required, but I can see I can select now free for test. Choose free options. Now say you can see here form, vendor form. Here you can see add your name of company. Also you can update your description, this section from admin. Apply this vendor section. Vendor required to type their company name, first plan, whose plan required. Here you can also choose. I have select free one, vendor name, vendor email. Okay, submit it. After submit, do not here I have confirmation, but I cannot logging admin and everything I cannot do, and cannot add my products in this shop as a vendor. For these tasks, for this task, here you can see after sign in or registration. After registration vendor, you can see in admin section is vendor. Here show who is vendor registration your shop. If you want to active, then click here, or if you want disable, then also click disable section. Also view here have options to see vendor products, vendor admins, vendor orders, merge, edit, and all options you can see is each vendor have options you can see. Okay, if you want to active, then just click here. I first also you can see edit. You can, if you need to show more options for vendor, you can edit from here and see vendor options. Okay, now in vendor sections, okay, and this is admin panel, and vendor section, it's showing vendor. When create a new vendor, I have clicked active, and this vendor now activate and can work also with product and manage orders. This vendor is active. Here you can see this vendor is active. Also vendor plan you can update from here. I will describe later all options. Okay, after active, vendor will get After done, vendor will after active account, then vendor will get a mail, approval mail, and with username and password. Then vendor can log in their from front end, also go admin. I have opened a site with another browser for check. This is admin section. Admin, this one user can log in, or vendor also can log in. Just I going to sign in and put vendor details. Okay, after vendor details, vendor normal section, and if required, vendor also go to their profile update, their profile, vendor profile update. Okay, and this section, after click here, this section vendor admin panel. After click, they will go to admin section. Okay, this section also logging, same username password what you get from mail after approve your vendor. Okay, I put user info, and now you can see here vendor option. Here not all options, but like template, theme, all options not, but have options what required to vendor. You can see here have order. It's only show who is order for vendor, but admin have others, all orders. This is admin can see all vendors and this shop all orders this section, but vendor only able to show which order for the this vendor products. If if new vendors have products and these products will purchase users, then will show these sections. Also it's showing admin sections. Okay, vendor also see report, shipment, and others. Send a request, call request from users. Okay, products, vendor also add category and products, others feature options, but each product, when I create a product vendor, this product will not auto active from user. Like I have tried to create a product for demo. You can see I have vendor and try to create a product. You can see test vendor products new. Okay, I have set a category, any category, or can create others category. Okay, price set. Okay, description can also add if active, select and add product image. Add product image. I have test product image I have added. Okay, also you can set here some configuration of this product. I have created this product. After create this product, this vendor product only show this section only. This here you can again I let details. Only here show this vendor product, not others any product showing. Only vendor added product showing is admin vendor admin panel section. Also order only this vendor order, customer order can order showing here. Okay, product section. This after add this product, vendor C required approval. After admin approve, it will show in font. Otherwise, it's not show active for process user. Okay. Now I go another browser for showing admin panel. Okay. In this section, I see product. Then I go to product section. Okay. Here you can see products, all products. Okay. In last product, you need to find where this product. Also you can you can see here others way, but find this product. Here have more products. I try to find. Okay, recent update. Okay, when I recent update product show, when I select recent update, then will show recent update products. You can see these products, test vendor products new. Okay, you can see here is product vendor section. I have added test vendor products new and request approval. In admin section, you can find recent added. Then you can see test vendor product. You can active or deactive. Also you can see at edit section all product description. If you are okay, then you can active. I have just click active, and this product okay, I have I click active, and this product will active. Others, if it is deactive, then you need to confirm, or you can also send message what required in this product for active. Also can message vendor section. Okay, I'm also see how vendor by product. Okay, here you can see some vendor have products. Here you can browse which how much product this vendor, view vendor products. Then you can see this product, these vendor products. Okay. Now I trying to let vendor another vendor options. You can see here message center. Here will show vendor and vendor owner message. First you send, and vendor will reply. Vendor plan. You can customize vendor plan. Here have four vendor plan. One's hidden, 4 active, and one's hidden. You can see 100, 250, and 1000. Okay, now I go to font and sell with us, click sell with us. Here you can see 4 options for vendor. If you want to update something, price or name or something, add or remove, then you can do from here. Okay, accounting is the manager of okay, accounting. Here when a user vendor product order, vendor can request for their price withdraw. Then your section will show like this. You can delete or complete like this. Balance withdraw. here all listed of what balance you are withdraw from your for user, you know, like this. Vendor vendor product will after sale, then will show order section, and he also can show customer information, website blog page. If he required to, he can manage also vendor section. This is only for this vendor, you know. Vendor page will show this page. Okay, vendor section is accounting. In accounting, when some price balance withdraw, then they can request for withdraw, you know, how much payment and comments. Then you can create this withdraw message, will get admin, and admin will approve. Its price will get by user admin to vendor in others payment section, you know. Okay, in this vendor section also have options: shipping, store, currency, and others. I will describe this one same like the admin, but here not options, but something managed by vendor. I will describe administration options and also administrator admin options later. Thank you for everything.